together in Visual Studio Code. So here, I just brought up it's untitled, and I'm going to select the language. I'm going to select HTML. You can see it's in alphabetical order. I'm going to save as, and I think you can't see my screen here, but I'm doing File, Save As, and I'm going to just give it a name. You could give it any name you want. Index.html is the nice part about being default is usually, you don't have to type it in, and I can show you what I mean in a later video. But you can also call it anything you want, test, your name, anything you want. So here I called it index.html, and what's nice about Visual Studio Code versus a plain text editor is it kind of will help me that. Oh, here it is, I missed it. Doc type. Now if I do HTML, it puts the closing tag in it for me, and I can do my head, and it has the closing, so you don't forget your closing because it's doing it for me, so that's nice. Now I'm going to, in here, do my meta, and you can see it's kind of auto completing to help me. So if I say care set, you can see I don't have to know exactly how to spell it. It shows it up, and equals, I'm going to put UTF-8, which is the Unicode, so that we can have, it's just a better standard than ASCII. It allows much more characters. And here I'm putting title. Now, really, all this stuff, which is why it's taking me a longer time, I would generally just copy and paste from previous HTML so I don't have to remember it and keep copying. And you can set the language here too, like we did. But basically, I want to show you some things here. I'm going to put a title, my home page. And I'm going to go into the body, and I can do my heading, H1, welcome to my home page. I'll do a paragraph. I hope you enjoy, looking at my webpage. All right, so I have my paragraph, my body, my HTML, my close tags. It's a nice kind of environment because things are in different colors, which makes it easier to distinguish. Also, it puts the closing tags for me. It kind of completes things if I'm spelling them wrong. So that's why I like this environment. In my videos, you might see me using different environments, and that's fine because you can use any really text editor, but this is just the one I'm recommending.